Hi, I'm Adam King from Ray & Horn in Rosebud. Here I am at 18 Arthurs Avenue in McCrae with our auctioneer, Shane Pope.
Thanks, Adam. 22 years ago, this family architecturally designed and built this home, incorporating a cathedral ceiling, a second commercial kitchen space, and encompassing these beautiful views. Let's go and take a look.
With indoor and outdoor entertaining areas, bedrooms and bathrooms are both levels and an outstanding view. This home is sure to please.
It sure is, Adam. Open for inspections are every Saturday with the auction on the 16th of June. Look forward to seeing you there.